Thank you very much. Delighted to come along and award this at the Scottish Women's Football Awards. But I'm missing myself if I didn't give you a wee heads up on what Supporters Direct Scotland and Scottish fans are. Historically, over the last 10 years, we've been here to give a voice to ordinary fans at their clubs. But nowadays, we are helping the whole community, bringing all supporters together under the Scottish Fans banner. We have helped facilitate the community ownership vehicles at Dunfermline and Hearts, and there are a handful of other clubs moving forward towards a sustainable, transparent and democratic future. Enough about Supporters Direct, but it's on to the players. And the winner I'm awarding to is Rebecca Young. And Rebecca started playing football like most girls when she went for a kick around down the park with her dad. And at around 9 to 10 years old, Rebecca was playing football for the primary school team, year 5 to 7 in the boys team. Starting out in girls football, Rebecca joined Cumbernauld Cosmos Girls in 2002, and under 17s they came close to winning the League Cup, only losing in the final. Stepping up to the senior ladies team has seen Rebecca improve and develop as a player. This has been most notable this season, as she's moved from her career-long position at left back to an attacking left midfield spot, which has seen her flourish, winning the May and June PSL Division 1 Player of the Month awards. Rebecca's future aims and aspirations are to bring success to the Cumbernauld Colts and play at the highest level she can achieve, whilst continuing to enjoy her football at the Broadwood Stadium home. Ladies and gentlemen, the Supporters Direct Scotland SWFL Division 1 Player of the Year 2013 is Rebecca Young from Cumbernauld Colts Ladies Football Club.
What a season it's been. Has this been your best season yet?
Yeah, completely. We came just avoided relegation last year and then came 4th top this year, so it was a great change.
And that is. So what was the reason? How did that all work out?
I don't know. We went to Cumbernauld Colts and it just started to change.
And I asked the other Natasha about what football has done for her. What about you? What do you get out of it?
I just love playing. We have great friends. My friends have been lifelong friends all the time. But we're there.
And they're all with you tonight. And where are you going to put your award?
I'm beside the rest.
Beside the rest. And tell everyone, what's the dream? What's the dream for you in the game?
Just to keep playing my best and hopefully get, I don't know.
Oh, you can say it. You like to play for your country?
Yeah, love that.
One day. One day.
One day, yeah.
Well, keep playing as you are, and you probably will. So, congratulations, well played tonight, and with the honour.